Namaste guys, Ashish here from Namaste Tech, and in this video I'm going to show you a new feature which came in FaceApp. It's called as Age Factor. So this app has been popular and it's been there. There's a lot of features rolling out slowly here and there. But the recent update that has come is called as Age Factor, which is something here where you can take a picture or select a picture and then change the age, and it tells you how you may look like maybe like down the year 10 years or 20 years. And just before we go ahead, if you are here for the first time, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is install the FaceApp AI Face Editor. Now just before we go ahead, it gets access to your gallery. So if you are only comfortable giving access to your gallery, then only you should use this app. Otherwise, you should skip right now. Now since you're comfortable, we're going to launch the app. And this is what the interface looks like. This is your gallery, so it gives you access to all the gallery photos and all. Then you have got access to your Facebook account, so you can tap on that, or you can search for celebrities. I'm going to straight away go to the feature which we were talking about, that's called as Age Factor. We'll just select it and it runs its algorithm and does all stuff. But before that, it gives you a couple of options. So I'll give you a closer look. So you can see you have got smile, impression, age, beards, hair color, and a lot of things that you can do with the images. But what we are going to look is the age factor. So I'm going to tap on age, and you have options like getting old, young to young. So I'm going to just tap on old. It might look very horrifying. So if you're weak-hearted, don't watch this video. Go tap on that, it does the AI magic, and you can see how it looks like here now. And it's actually horrifying to visualize myself 10 years down the lane. And like, well, I look like that. I don't want to actually, but that's what the AI engine tells me. Apart from that, you have a young feature which you can tap on and it makes you look younger. That looks like Rajesh actually. And then you have even younger version, and that's it. And once you're done, just apply it and it will be saved in your gallery automatically. And from here you can choose to share wherever you want to. Apart from that, if I select this, you have option for beard. If you want a better beard, some of them are pro versions. So if you want a beard stuff, I already have one, so it will just make it denser. Then you have got hair color, so if you want a different color, you can change it. The good thing about it is that it works on any image. You just don't need to have a face image. Now what if you want to take a picture instantly and then do it? So you need to hit this camera icon over here. So just tap on this and just let it have a look at your face. So I'm going to just find a face here and just tap on this. I'm going to process. Okay, so that's me, and if I hit the age button here and select old, wow, that's horrific. I'm going to cancel it. So guys, that's how the Face app on the age factor works. It's an old app, but with this new feature that is right now very, very popular. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you did like the video, do hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and ask them to take a look how they might look like when they get old. Thanks for watching.